And good morning children. Welcome to Phoenix International Group of Schools and welcome back to our class. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and doing well. Right. Did you completed our yesterday's homework children? Very good. As you know children, this is our cover page, right? ये हमारे text books का cover page है. In last two videos also I have shared this cover page. Okay children? See students, in our last class what we have done? We have completed our first lesson, right children? What we have completed? We have completed our first lesson. In that what we have learned? We have learned how to give our introduction, right? अपना introduction हम किस तरह से देंगे वो हम last videos में सीख चुके हैं कि रीना हैं जो अपना introduction दे रहे थे and we knows her about best friend, right? Who's her brother and who's her siblings and what age was she, right? So all these things we have seen our last video. Now in this lesson what we have to read, our second lesson is, what is the lesson name children? Can you read the second lesson name? Very good. Our body is wonderful. What is our lesson name? Our body is wonderful. Our body, what do you mean by our body students? Our body mean हमारी body जो है is wonderful. Wonderful meaning extremely good, बहुत ही good. Okay, so our body is extremely good thing. How it is extremely good? Can you say that? Are you agree with this sentence? Our body is wonderful. Yes, I am agree. Why? Because our body does so many lots of work at a time, right? So that's why I am saying our body is wonderful. Let's read. See children, in this lesson what we are going to learn, ये lesson में हम क्या सीखेंगे कि हमारे body के parts कौन से हैं and उसके names क्या हैं. We will see here children, okay? And some parts के हम functions भी देखेंगे कि कुछ parts के functions यहाँ पर क्या होते हैं. Are you ready children? Right. Our body is a living machine. Our body is a living machine. So all children please put your finger on our first para, this para. Okay children? Right. Our body is a living machine. So अपना body जो है वो एक living machine है, एक जिंदा machine है. Machine students, machine meanings which does work perfectly, right? So our body is also living machine. It is made up of different parts. Now here children अपना body कई सारे different parts and number of parts से बना हुआ है, right? One parts cannot make a whole body, right? So many number of parts, बहुत सारे parts मिलकर हमारा body बना हुआ है. So what we are saying, it is made up of different parts, so many parts. Look at the picture given below. Now our writer is saying कि नीचे दिए गई picture को देखिए. It tell us the names of the different parts of the body. Now यहाँ पर क्या बताएगा वो हमें different parts of the body के names बताएगा. So we shall study about the different parts of the body children. Can you name some body parts here before we start our lesson? Yes, you can see there in your textbook and you can tell me some body parts children. Okay, can you tell me? Right, heads, eyes, nose, tongue, skin, ears, chin, cheek, right children? So these all are the examples of our body parts. Very good. In our last class also we have already studied this. Yes children? Shall we start our first name? Right. You see, what is the first one? H-A-I-R, hair. What is this? H-A-I-R, hair. Put your fingers there children, okay? You have to keep your finger there and you have to do the spelling of each part. H-A-I-R children, hair. Repeat after me. H-A-I-R, hair. Where our hairs are located? Our hairs are located on our head. Hairs कहाँ पर रहते हैं children? हमारे head पर रहते हैं. So these all are hairs. Okay. Next. E-Y-E, eye. E-Y-E, eye. What do you mean by eye children? Eye meaning आँख. Eye meaning aankh. Okay, this is our eye, and this is our hairs inside our scalp, that is hair, and this is eye. Next, nose, 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 nose. Can you see here, children? Right. Where is our nose? This is our nose. What is the spelling of nose? N-O-S-E, nose. Right. Next, children, N-E-C-K, neck. N-E-C-K, neck. Where is our neck, children? This is our neck. Okay, जो गर्दन होती है ना उसको हम बोलेंगे neck. Hair meaning अपने बाल. Eyes meaning अपनी आँख. Nose meaning nose. नाक जो होती है ना उसको हम nose बोलेंगे. Neck here जो गर्दन होती है हम उसको बोलेंगे neck. Right, children? Next one is C-H-E-S-T, chest. C-H-E-S-T, chest. This chest which is located here, chest meaning जो सीना होता है ना अपना उसको बोले हम chest बोलेंगे. T-H-U-M-B, thumb. T-H-U-M-B, thumb. Thumb meaning जो अपने हैंड के जो फिंगर्स होते हैं उसमें ये जो वाला फिंगर होता है उसको हम बोलेंगे थंब. सी चिल्ड्रन, ऐसा सेम अपने पैर पर भी होता है, राइट? सेम लाइक दिस स्ट्रक्चर वी कैन फाइंड ऑन अवर feet also, but that is not thumb. That part has another name, right? I'll tell you more. That is called toe actually. So this is thumb. This is thumb. Show me your thumb, children. Right, this is thumb. K-N-E-E, knee. K-N-E-E, knee. See here, children, here in this spelling of our knee, K is silent. What is silent, children? K is silent. K silent रहेगा बेटे इसमें. Okay, so we have to pronounce as knee. N-E-E, knee. Very good. Next, T-O-E, toe. T-O-E, toe. What do you mean by toe, children? You can see here in the picture also. Toe. This thumb will be there, no? Our leg's thumb. Okay, this is hand means this is thumb, and same this kind of a structure will be present on our feet also, right? So that is called toe. Now let's come to this side, students. Here what we have learned: H-A-I-R, hair. E-Y-E-S-I, N-O-S-E, nose. N-E-C-K, neck. C-H-E-S-T, chest. T-H-U-M-B, thumb. K-N-E-E, knee. T-O-E, toe. Okay, children? Thumb meaning हाथ का अंगूठा और toe meaning पैर का अंगूठा. Now look here, children. H-E-A-D, head. H-E-A-D, head. Head meaning जो अपना सर होता है ना उसको हम बोलेंगे head. Now what do you mean by H-E-I-R, hair? Hair means बाल जो हमारे head के ऊपर होते हैं, children. Okay. Now F-O-R-E, four. H-E-A-D, head, forehead. Now here forehead meaning this is our forehead. You can see in the picture also. Right, this is forehead. जो पेशानी होती है that is called forehead. E-A-R, ear. E-A-R, ear. This is our ear, children. Okay. Ear meaning कान. M-O-U-T-H, mouth. M-O-U-T-H, mouth. This is our mouth. C-H-I-N, chin. C-H-I-N, chin. Chin meaning here this is our chin. Mouth meaning जो मुंह होता है उसको हम बोलेंगे mouth. S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R, shoulder. S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R. Where is our shoulder, children? Right, so this is our shoulder. Okay, kandha. S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach, children. Okay, stomach. Where is our stomach? Yes, this is our stomach. Okay, where we feel hungry, children? We feel hungry in our stomach only, right? E-L-B-O-W, elbow. Elbow means जो कोनी होता है ना उसको हम बोलेंगे elbow. A-R-M, arm. This is our arm children. Okay, hand, hand. You all are very familiar with this word, right? Show me your hands. Right, this is our hands. finger, finger. finger, finger. So this is our finger children. Okay. Next, leg, leg. जो अपने पैर होते हैं उसको हम बोलेंगे leg. Right children. The last one is foot, FOOT, foot. Okay children. So this all these are our parts of body. It means our body parts. What we have learned children? Hair, eye, nose, neck, chest, thumb, knee, toe. Hair, eye, nose, neck, thumb, knee and toe. Head, forehead, ear, mouth, chin, shoulder, stomach, elbow, arm, hand, finger, leg and foot. Right children? And I request you, all of you, please recall all these parts of the body names and try to learn the spellings of these body names. Okay children? And you can take the help of your parents also. They will help you in pronunciation of that words. Okay? Let's come to the next page students. Our body help us. Our body help us. Now children, हमारा body हमको क्या चीज़ें करने के लिए helpful होता है? That we have to see here. Can you tell me? Right. Our eyes help us to see and hands help कर रहे हैं for writing and all. आपके legs आपको help कर रहे हैं for walking के लिए, right? So our body is helpful for doing so many works in our daily life. Each part of our body does some work and हर part अपने body का क्या करता है children? Work करता है. Look at this picture. They show what our legs and feet help us to do. Now we have to observe these pictures given below and we have to tell how they are helpful for us. Okay. So look at the first picture and observe children. First picture, one boy is standing. Right. What the boy is doing? Boy is standing. So this is STAND. Stand. So which part of our body is helping? Our legs are helping. What is helping? Our legs are helping us to stand. Good. WALK, walk. Now here also one body part is helping. How we can walk children? We can walk with the help of our legs. Very good. Run. How we can run children? With the help of our legs. Kick. KICK, kick. JUMP, jump. SKIP, skip. So here children, what we can do? We can do all these things with the help of our legs and feet. With the help of our legs and feet, we can be able to do all these things. What are the things? We can stand. We can walk. आप तैर सकते हो, आप चल सकते हो. We can run. हम भाग सकते हैं. We can kick. हम कुछ धक्का दे सकते हैं. We can jump. हम jump कर सकते हैं, उछल सकते हैं. We can skip also, right? So all these things we can do with the help of our legs and feet. Can we do all these things with the help of our hands? No, we cannot stand on the hand, right children? हम hand से नहीं तैर सकते, हम hand से चल नहीं सकते, हम hand से run नहीं कर सकते हैं. So finally what we can do? We can do all these things with the help of our legs. What is the spelling of legs children? Legs spelling? Right, the spelling of the legs is, tell me children, the spelling of the legs is LEGS. Legs. What is the spelling? Legs. Now what we can do with the help of legs? We can walk, we can run, we can skip and we can jump. There are so many other things what we can do children. Okay. So did you understand children? Right. See here in this picture. Next one, complete the table given below. One is done for you. Now you have to complete the table which has given below children. Okay. I use my legs and feet too. अब हम क्या कर रहे हैं? हमारे legs use कर रहे हैं and हमारे feet भी for standing के लिए. So children, you have to complete this table. Okay. I use my legs and feet too. आप अपने legs और feet किस लिए use करते हैं? One has done for you. Remaining other you have to see by seeing the upper pictures. Okay, you can see the pictures which has given above, and you can complete this table, children. Okay, like you can do stand, walk, run, kick, jump, skip, etc. So children, I hope you all have completed your yesterday's homework, our last class homework. Now this is our today's homework, children. Okay, what you have to do in this homework, write any 10 names of parts of our body. You have to write any 10 names of parts of your body. Okay, as just now we have completed also in our lesson. Like example I have done, first one, head, eyes, hand, ears, you know very well. Okay, so you can write any 10 names of parts of our body. Okay children, complete this homework and make sure that you should read this and learn these spellings also. Okay, inshallah I'll be back with the next video. Till then, take care and good luck children.